Hello everyone, it's Hanny. I made a few journals and this is one of them, and I'm going to do this one in my Etsy shop. And I thought, well, let's do a flip through, show you what I did. It's a very plain journal. Where do I have this? Oh yeah, it's I wrote it down. 5 by 8¼ inch, and that's in centimeters. I didn't measure that. 13 by 21 centimeters. 13 by 21 centimeters. It has 4 signatures with 7 sheets. So you have 28 pages in one signature. So 4 times 28 is 112, something like that. Well, the cover is fabric with book corners, 4 of them, and a closure of messing. I don't know what it is. I made a little topper on it with I think it's cabbage dyed paper, some burlap, what is it, and a flower. It's the binding is with twine, rope, how do we call that? So you can, it's loose, so you can put the signatures and the pages out like that. So you could fill it with something else. This is marbled paper I made with acrylic paint. I did all kinds of coffee lace dyed papers in it, and maybe some colors, I don't know. Well, we go flip through I glued a few pockets in and a tab, maybe a few tabs, maybe one tab, I don't know. So, and here's a tuck spot. You can put the paper behind that. Here's a little pocket with a window. And some ledger pages. Oh yeah, that's one side. Book pages with a pocket. Wallpaper. Tuck spot. And very old pages and tab, something like that, with another pocket. A book page corner, well, I put that off, and some embellishments inside. Another coffee dyed lace paper, or that's the same as in the front. Here another one. Here is a pocket on that's homemade paper. My nose is itchy again. I'm so allergic at the moment. So maybe you hear me sniff now and then. I'm sorry. Am I in frame? Yes, I am in frame. Some book pages. Tea dyed papers. Oh, this is well, that paper. Ledger, another, and this is another homemade paper. My head is not so clear, I can't think very good. A doily, book page. Oh, here's another pocket. This is a pocket, and here's a belly band, little belly band, and another piece of homemade paper. handmade paper. All kinds of book papers. There's the doily again. Here's another tuck spot. Handwritten paper. It's all real papers. There are no digitals, I think. No, I don't use much the digital pages. It's all original. Only the homemade and dyed papers. Book pages. Some deli paper, ledger, handwritten again. And here is a pocket, a double pocket. So that's the journal. So you can fill it with the things I'm going to include with it. And that's too much to put in the journal, I'm afraid. But yeah, well, you can choose what to do with it. Here is all kinds of embellishments, pockets you can glue in, all kinds of pockets. This is a page corner, and there's another one, a page corner, this one. Tags, all kinds of tags, and journaling cards, specimen cards, double-sided. Another journaling card. A little homemade baggie. Journaling card. A playing card. Another tags. And here a tag with tickets in it. Journaling card. Another specimen card. Double-sided. Here another one to put in the pockets. Here are journaling cards. Oh, this is not a journaling card. You can glue this somewhere. This is a little journaling card. You can put it somewhere in. Tag, another journaling card. Little booklets. Another tag. Envelopes with pockets. You can put something in it, of course. That kind of envelope. A few with flowers I made. Here a little envelope. Here another booklet. And another pocket. You can put something in there and put something in there, and if you glue 3 sides you can put something behind it. Well, that's the embellishments. I put those aside. I have all kinds of, well, what is it? I'll show you. Some washi tapes and all kinds of ephemera and embellishments and thingies. Little crochet doilies. This one is not crocheted, but and this one neither. This is I crocheted myself. This one, I think, yes. This is another flower. It's the same. That's in the front of the journal. Here is a little one. Some circles you can glue somewhere. And I thought there was another one. Little tabs. To put on the pages. stamps, some text thingies, tickets, another piece of, well, you can glue it on somewhere. Some buttons and rhinestones. You see, it's all in blue. Not all, of course, but there's, well, much blue. Some rhinestones. Here is a little crochet. Here is a crochet button. There's a button inside. So that's included. Put them aside. Here is a baggie with band and some fabric or some stuff. Yarn, eyelash yarn, something like that. Not quite, but lace, another piece of lace in blue, another piece of lace, a scrap sampler, well, with all kinds of thingies in it, tickets, and I could do those thingies in there too, but well, I made this and I put things, more things with it in a later stage, so well, I leave it this way. There are all scraps in here, bluish, so that's included. And I have napkins included, doilies, paper doilies, napkins. Here are the napkins. A few napkins, maybe I add a few more. All kinds of old ephemera, little book pages, a card, another card, a bridge card, a photo. I think it's from the Queen. Yeah, this is Queen. That's Queen Emma, I think. Queen Juliana and Queen Wilhelmina. Bingo card. All kinds of book papers. And different music paper and all kinds of stuff. Well, that's it. I put it in my Etsy shop and well, maybe someone will buy it. Thank you for watching. Bye.